Before, for the talent side, it really wasn't anything. We really didn't have a much of a social media presence at all. We were looking for something that was a little more automated to assist in our day to day. We didn't have someone that was dedicated to just do posts nonstop. And so we needed someone to build one out and build it out for the month. And so CareerArc gave us the ability to do that and actually, you know, build out our calendar for the month or 3 months in advance for any kind of targets that we're looking for. Before COVID hit, we had over 70,000 clicks and follow-throughs within 4 months. So
Oh, wow.
huge increase following on our LinkedIn page. And that was LinkedIn solely was running that, along with the little maps that you guys produce for us as well. So using all of that definitely gave us a huge upturn to the point where we almost couldn't look at all of our resumes. We just did our statistics and our numbers for recruiting, and we're below the national average. And I think so a large portion of that's because CareerArc's helped with that, giving us the ability to really pinpoint our marketing and actually aim, certain locations, certain schools, certain places where our top candidate is coming from. And so it's actually giving us the ability to track all of those, milestones and what we're looking for and where it's coming from, so we can focus our marketing in those areas. So it's actually given us the ability to really pinpoint what we're looking for and find it a little quicker. Because of all of our transitioning through COVID and everything like that, we've actually started transitioning all of our branding, and instead of just using our marketing pages, we've actually created talent acquisition pages that work solely on recruiting. So those are really helping us to go out and brand who we are as a culture, and what kind of type of individuals we're looking for that would enjoy working for us. And so CareerArc's really helped us, pinpoint those people and really get out to the community to see who we are and what we're looking for.